Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem we're given the formula for V in terms of S, where V is the rate of an enzymatic reaction and S is the concentration of a substrate S, and we're looking to find the derivative of V over S. So calculating this, we can do using the quotient rule since we have a fraction right here. So we're going to have the denominator times the derivative of the numerator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator over, moving it over a little bit so you can see everything, over the denominator squared. And this is just following the rule for all fractions with derivatives, which is just the quotient rule. The denominator times the derivative of the numerator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator over the denominator squared. So we have 0.015 plus s. The derivative of this term, since it's a linear term, right, s is to the first power here, the derivative is just the coefficient, which is 0.14, minus 0.14s, times the derivative of 0.015 is 0, so we can ignore it since 0.015 is a constant, plus the derivative of s, again, linear term, its derivative is its coefficient, which in this case is 1, so this is 0.14s times 1, so it's just 0.14s. This is over 0.015 plus s squared. This is equal to, on top, 0.015 times 0.14 is 0.0021 plus 0.14s minus 0.14s over 0.015 plus s squared. So last step, we have 0.14s minus 0.14s, so these cancel and we're left with 0.0021 over 0.015 plus s squared. And this is dv ds. You can distribute the denominator if you want, but it's not going to simplify anything. And we're asked to also interpret this, and this is the rate of change of v over s. So this is the rate of change of the rate of the enzymatic reaction as s, which is the concentration, changes. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.